Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bfloki swap token. Ticker symbol is Bfloki. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale that's about to start in a few days here on pinksale.finance. I'm going to leave a link down there in the description box and in the comment section so you guys can go easily find this pre-sale here. It's going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. We're going to go over the information on the Bfloki swap token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new token, basically just got put into the Launchpad list today on pinksale.finance. Like I said, I am going to leave links down there to this pre-sale so you guys can easily find it. It says Bfloki swap, the meme of the moment. Massive pre and post launch marketing, low tax, AveDex, DexView, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, NTM, Moontalk, CN token, Buybot, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap trendings all at launch. Fast track to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listings. No team tokens, no whales, lots of potential, and buyback and burn. So it's going to start in a few days here. This pre-sale will start exactly February 27th at 18 hours UTC time. And it's going to go all the way until March 1st, 18 hours UTC time. Soft cap is 5 BNB. An initial market cap estimate is $6,599. So there's no hard cap. So pre-sale is just going to go the whole time. 9 decimal places on this token. Ticker symbol is Bfloki. There is a total supply of 420 billion tokens. They do have a Telegram you could follow that has 823 members. 73 of them are online right now. You can find it at Bfloki_swap. That's a great place to join the conversation regarding the project, find updates and things like that. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. Now, like I said, this token just got put into the Launchpad list, so they're probably updating a few things right now. You can see on their Twitter there it says audit and KYC, but an audit and KYC has not popped up yet on PinkSale, so maybe that will be soon. They basically only have one tweet so far where they're just announcing a new partnership with Big Bang Calls, one of the Twitter call channels there. And and then it says they're going to have central exchange listings in the future. They just joined February 2024, has a link to their webpage, Bflokiswap.pro, 635 Twitter followers so far. And then a lot of the info is going to be on their webpage. So over there you can find roadmap, tokenomics, partners, community section. It says Bfloki swap, the trend of the moment. So Bfloki swap is an innovative meme coin inspired by the famous Floki crypto, with the main objective of promoting liquidity, low fees, and token burns. Our project seeks to revolutionize the cryptocurrency market by offering a high-quality, easy-to-use swap platform for all users. Our development team is committed to creating a swap platform that offers an unparalleled experience with moves and partnerships that will bring even more value and opportunities to our users. Bfloki Swap aims to be a benchmark in the crypto market, guaranteeing the security and trust of our investors and users. So there's a swap, low tax, and buyback and burn. So the advantages of the Bfloki Swap platform, number one is optimized liquidity. So Bfloki Swap offers high liquidity on its swap platform, enabling fast and efficient transactions. Number two, low fees. The platform offers low transaction fees, allowing you to enjoy your earnings and save on unnecessary costs. And number three, cash back in Bfloki tokens. So Bfloki Swap offers a cashback system in its native currency, Bfloki, further increasing your earnings. So there is a buy and sell tax of 5%, it says, and I'm not sure about transfers. So if you are using their own swap to get this token with BNB later on, you're probably going to have to set your slippage around 5%. Now, what is it here? 10% of the tokens go to private sale. 7.9% of the tokens go to central exchange listings. 27.4% of the tokens go to liquidity. And 54.7% of the tokens go to pre-sale. Now, the taxes, how they're split up, 5% taxes, 2% goes to liquidity, 2% goes to buyback and burn, and 1% goes to marketing. Now, you will be able to, first of all, if you missed this pre-sale, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell there so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, bflokiswap.pro. Now, you may have to, you are going to have to set your slippage around 5%. And it doesn't say how long liquidity is locked yet. It just says manual listing as of now, but I guess we'll find out what the lock is later. Hopefully it's a lengthy lock, and you will be able to see a DEX view chart on their webpage as well. Phase 1 of the roadmap: building websites, communities, and social media, analyzing the market, initiating marketing campaigns to attract potential investors, implement smart contracts audit for security and reliability, private sale, pre-sale on PinkSale, and then Pancakeswap launch. Phase 2, marketing campaign, collaborate with global influencers to expand the reach of the crypto space further. DEX platforms trending, development of the swap platform, strengthening the project. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings, advisors, 5,000 holders. Phase 3, marketing campaign, strategic partnerships, centralized exchange, request, organization of more community events and giveaways to enhance the member experience, 10,000 holders. Phase 4, mass marketing, focus on expanding the presence of the Bfloki Swap, creation of the localized communities and communication in specific languages, continuously improve the user experience and optimize the usefulness of the token to attract a wider user base, and 20,000 holders. They're partners with Pancakeswap, PinkSale, DexView, and Aave. And yeah, check this project out. Bflokiswap.pro is their webpage, and you can find a link to the pre-sale down there in the comment section and in the description box. Check out all the referral codes down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.